Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the latest Zepeto and a system dark theme active. This is the only supported path. First, check the app version and update if needed, then open your phone settings and enable dark mode system-wide. Once done, force close Zepeto by swiping it away because the app reads the system theme at launch. Reopen Zepeto and watch the interface switch. This step ensures the app applies the OS-level preference rather than leaving the light UI in place. Once Zepeto is reopened, inspect key screens like Home, Profile, and Chat to confirm dark visuals. If you still see light mode, toggle the system dark theme off and on again, then relaunch Zepeto. The app reads the OS only at startup. Also verify scheduled dark theme or battery saver options aren't overriding appearance. Sometimes battery-saving modes force a light or custom rendering. This step-by-step ensures you understand why Zepeto doesn't offer an in-app dark toggle and relies on the device setting. To finalize, if dark mode still fails, clear Zepeto's cache or reinstall the app. Sometimes stale resources prevent theme updates. If that doesn't help, restart your device to reset the theme service and resolve conflicts with other apps. As a single troubleshooting tip, capture your device model, OS version, and Zepeto app version, then send that in a support report. Developers need those details to fix bugs. Remember, there is no in-app dark setting. System theme control is the only way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.